Hey everybody, it's Chris from Steeda, and we're back at the dyno today with a 2019 Mustang GT. We're going to be testing an OE paper drop-in filter versus our new green filters drop-in air filter fitting the S550 Mustangs. This is a new brand we're carrying here at Steeda.com, so naturally we got to test it to see if it proves the results. Let's get this thing on the rollers and see what we got. Now, before we even dive into the results, obviously you look at the OE paper filter versus the green filters drop-in air filter, you're going to have more flow with this thing. Just looking at the design of them, it's a well-manufactured product made in the USA, which we love here at Steeda, and naturally, that's exactly what the results came out to. 385 horsepower for the OE paper filter in 6th gear on this 10R80 2019 GT, and 391, nearly 392 horsepower on the green filters drop-in air filter. An increase of 6, nearly 7 horsepower, and an increase of 7 pound-feet of torque across the curve. You can see you're going to be gaining power and torque throughout the entire curve of this thing. If you want to pick up a green filter for your Ford vehicle or Mustang, we offer all different applications right here at Steeda.com, so hit us up. We're happy to help. Comment below, let us know your thoughts, or if there are any other tests that you want to see with green filters on a Ford vehicle, we're happy to throw them on the dyno and show you the results. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.